To list and manage all users, go to the admin page. Click Details. Scroll down and click List all users. This will list all active users in the clinic. In the Users row, the first checkbox is to allow/disallow access via internet. If this checkbox is ticked, this user will be able to access Intelsys over the internet, otherwise Intelsys can only be accessed from within the clinic. The second checkbox under Force 2FA is to force the user to use two-factor authentication. This is the authentication code that is provided by Intelsys Assist app that will keep changing every 60 seconds. 2FA is important to prevent unauthorized access as passwords alone are not secure enough. The third checkbox under Reset 2FA can be ticked if the authentication code needs to be reset, e.g. if there is change of device/phone running the Intelsys Assist app. The checkbox under External Reporting is to allow sending of radiology images to external radiologists for reporting. This icon indicates the user has central monitoring access. Click to see the details. These are the details of the central monitoring access for the user. This central monitoring access can be revoked if needed by clicking Revoke. This icon indicates that there is request for central monitoring access from this user. Click to see the details. The request for central monitoring access can be approved by clicking Approve here. This is the last login date and time of the user. For users that have not logged in for more than 30 days, the access will get temporarily disabled. To enable access, click Reactivate. If there is no login for more than 6 months, the access will be permanently disabled. To quickly remove a user, double-click on the user number. That's it, you're done.